Shalom everyone, at once again. Today's vlog, another infinitive verb ang isi-share ko sa inyo. At ito ay ang infinitive verb to explain. In Hebrew, lihasbir. Again, pag-aaralan natin kung paano natin ito sasabihin kapag present tense, past tense, and future tense according to the gender. Present tense explain for masculine singular, masbir. Ani, masbir. Ata, masbir. Hu, masbir. Present tense explain for feminine singular, masbera. Ani, masbera. At, masbera. He, masbera. Present tense explain for masculine plural or mixed gender, masberim. Anachnu, masberim. Atem, masberim. Hem, masberim. Present tense explain for feminine plural, masberot. Anachnu, masberot. Aten, masberot. Hen, masberot. Okay guys, for past tense, explained. Hisbarti. Hisbarta. Hisbart. Hisber. Hisbera. Hisbarno. Hisbartem. Hisbarten. Hisbero. Hisbero. For future tense, will explain. Ani, asbir. Ata, tasbir. At, tasbiri. Hu, yasbir. He, tasbir. Anachnu, nasbir. Atem, tasbiru. Aten, tasberna. Hem, yisbero. Hen, tasberna. Okay guys, ito naman ang imperative or ang command. Imperative explain for masculine singular, hasber. Imperative explain for feminine singular, hasberi. Imperative explain for masculine plural, hasbiru. Imperative explain for feminine plural, hasberna. Okay guys, muli dito po natatapos ang video na to. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell para lagi kayong ma-notify kapag may mga bagong upload na videos. Guys, see you on my next vlog. Tudara balik holkem, lihit raot.